Haul your toys to your favorite vacation spot with the 2019 Salem FSX 180RT travel trailer toy hauler. Find yours today at TerryTown RV Superstore. Outside the travel trailer is a 12-foot cold crack and mildew-resistant vinyl patio awning. On top of the trailer is a truss-built roof with gutters. In the back of the travel trailer is a 82 by 75 inch ramp door. Inside the travel trailer is a living area with a flip-out sofa and a pantry, with plenty of room to haul toys. The living area is prepared for a TV with a TV hookup. The kitchen has a refrigerator, a sink, a microwave, and a cooktop. The bathroom has a toilet and a shower. The queen-size bed has an end table next to it. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find out the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.